Is your Xiaomi, Poco, or Redmi device sound speaker not working? Hi there, this is Eve and today in this video I'll show you how you can solve audio or sound problem for any Xiaomi device. After the last update, many Xiaomi users use face issues with the sound speaker. They say they can't hear anything and sometimes the sound is low when they have calls, watch videos, or listen to music. To solve your sound speaker problem, move on and follow some steps. To solve your problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility and tap on it. Now swipe it to Hearing. Make sure to turn on Mono Audio. And check the audio balance. Most audio problems happened for this setting. After following these settings, follow a few more steps to solve your problem. Now open the setting again and scroll down to Sounds and Vibration. Now the first work would be changing your ringtone for all notification ringtone and turn on all the volume setting for media, ringtone, and alarm. Now open Sounds Assistance. Disable the first adjust media sounds in multiple apps and enable multiple audio sources and allow speaker sound. Now go back and scroll down to Sound Effect. Enable the Dolby Atmos. After following all the settings on your Xiaomi device, you'll be able to resolve your problem. If you still have issues, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.